Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change email address in Wix form in website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor. So this is our form. Now click on it and then you see form settings. So again click on it. Now Wix form pop-up open and then you see settings. So click on it. Now you see form name and then you see multiple settings. In form setting you see email notification, so click on it and then you see email notification are sent to inbox, the mobile app and email. So this is our email. If you want you can add more email or you can change. Now you see set notification button, so click on it. So we are in form submission notification setting. So this is the form job application. Now you see notification setting, inbox, email and honor app recommended. So this is our email address. So after form submission, email sent to your Gmail address, your inbox. You receive email in Wix dashboard inbox. So you can add email address according to requirement. If you want, you can add more. Also, you see another option, email only. If you want, you can enable this option. So only form submission sent to your email address, not in your inbox in Wix dashboard. And now you see choose a collaborator or add a new one to receive notification. So we are going to add more, so click on it and then you see add collaborator, so click on it. So you can enter email, invite people to manage your form and then click on send invite. Once they accept, they will get access to your site dashboard. You can manage role at any time. So you can add collaborator according to your requirement. Now go to form page and refresh the page. So we are in about page and then go to form section. So we are going to fill this form first. So we edit information and then click on submit button. So you will receive form submission to your email address and also in Wix dashboard. Now go to Wix dashboard. So we are in inbox and then you see this is our new form submission. Now you see now. So click on it and then you see all detail. Now go to Gmail address to check. So this is our form submission we receive on Gmail address. Now you see. Also you see time. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.